Open any social media feed today, and you will encounter a barrage of vibrant, healthy snack recipes. Many of these posts, often with millions of views, carry a specific medical label: anti-inflammatory. This raises a question of biology. Are 3-ingredient desserts actually altering our internal chemistry? Or is this a marketing tactic designed to make sweets feel healthy? To find the truth, we have to define the invisible threat these snacks claim to be fighting in the first place. When you get a paper cut or catch a virus, your immune system triggers a temporary, localized response called acute inflammation. Chronic inflammation is different. This occurs when the immune alarm remains activated indefinitely. The body continues sending out inflammatory cells, even when there is no external threat to fight. Over time, these circulating cells attack healthy tissue, damaging blood vessels, eroding joint cartilage, and disrupting insulin processing. Deactivating this systemic immune response is a prerequisite for cardiovascular health and long-term disease prevention. We can test the validity of these viral recipes by isolating their active chemical compounds, like the curcumin found in turmeric or the vitamin C in citrus. Inside our cells, unstable molecules called free radicals cause constant damage. This process, oxidative stress, provides the fuel that keeps chronic inflammation burning. Antioxidants in ginger and turmeric physically bind to free radicals, neutralizing them and halting the inflammatory chain reaction. As these compounds travel through the digestive tract, they interact with the gut lining, dampening local inflammation markers and reinforcing the cellular barrier. These specific ingredients function as biological fire extinguishers, directly suppressing the overactive immune signals in the body. A different set of recipes focuses on high-protein combinations, such as chickpea-based cookies or snacks. Exercise creates microscopic tears in muscle tissue, which triggers a localized acute inflammatory response as the body begins the repair process. Consuming protein provides the amino acids necessary to rebuild these fibers and increase muscle density. The efficacy of these snacks comes from the synergy of ingesting that protein alongside anti-inflammatory compounds. While the protein goes to work reconstructing the torn muscle fibers, the anti-inflammatory agents simultaneously clear out the cellular byproducts that cause joint and muscle soreness. This combination allows the snack to repair physical tissue while managing the pain signals associated with the inflammatory response. While social media trends are often exaggerated, the chemical interactions between these specific ingredients and human cells are well documented. Recipes like pineapple ice cream or chocolate cheesecake serve as accessible vehicles for high concentrations of these anti-inflammatory compounds. Supporting your immune system does not require a pharmacy counter or an impossibly complex dietary regimen. These solutions rely on inexpensive, everyday ingredients that can be strategically combined in a kitchen. The raw ginger or bright pineapple in your kitchen contains the specific enzymes and antioxidants required to intercept inflammatory signals. Understanding the functional science of your food provides a direct path to managing your long-term health and longevity.